Right, so you're back just now. I was just attempting to put that final mate connector in, so a bit more time now. So come in here, try and get it in the middle, and hit the green tick. And again, this time we're going to use the fasten mate. So that one, and I want it to be there, and I want it to connect into there. Just have a look, make sure that's right. That looks pretty good. So just hit the green tick and solve that. Right, the only thing we've got to do now is turn back on the front plate. So there it is over there. As I hover over it, you can see it in orange. You can right click, or alternatively, you can just click on the little eye and that does it as well. Alright, that's it. Again, you can maybe turn off a few other mate connectors if you don't want to see these. And that's us. Okay, well done.